Hello my friend, how are you? I hope you and your family are doing really well today and keeping safe and healthy. So today I wanted to do a look using the Urban Decay Naked Heat, and I have used it a couple of times already, but I'm not sure that I completely love it because of the shimmers. I mean, there's not a lot to offer in this palette, but we'll just create another look on camera and see what I think of it in the end. So first I'm going to use the Victoria's Secret lip mask in Strawberry Dream. I feel like my lips need a little bit of hydration. It smells like strawberries. I forget what it was like to use this. It does have like a light flavor to it as well. So I'll be taking my Prolux K805 blending brush. And the first shade I'm taking is called Sauced. Gonna be this one right here. Next I'm going to take this shade right here. This one is called Heat Devil, which I don't like that name. That is very strange to name an eyeshadow like that. It's one thing that I don't like about Urban Decay is how freeing they are to use certain names, and that's something that I don't like at all. But we're just going to use that shade for my outer corner. Okay, the next shade I want to take is this one right here. This is called Ember. It's like a shimmer, dark brown. Oh, and I'll be taking the BH Cosmetics Weekend Vibes number 6 brush. So it looks really pigmented. Okay, so for shimmers, there's not much options within this palette. We only have this one, this, I think this one, and this one. And out of all of them, I think I'll take a mix of Dirty Talk and Lumber. So first we'll take Lumber. Wait. So first I'll take Dirty Talk right here. Put that like in the middle of my eyelid. I'm also going to be taking this one called Scorch and put that like at the end of my eye right here, just a little bit. And then now I take Lumber and put the rest on my eyelid. This one is not very shimmery, unfortunately. It's like a satin shimmer. Okay, now for my brow bone and for my inner corner, I'm going to be taking this one. This is called Ounce. And it looks like it has a little bit of shimmer in there, which is perfect for an inner corner. Okay my friends, so I am done using this palette and this is the end result. Okay, so using this palette a few times, I would say I've used it about 3 or 4 times off camera, and I would say this palette is okay. It's not my favorite just because of the shimmers, but I think the matte formula is really nice. I think that it blended really beautifully and there's no issues there in terms of the pigmentation. It's not overly powdery when you put your brush into the mattes, but I just have a little bit of an issue with the shimmers, only because if you love the satin formula for your shimmers, you'll love this palette. So this is what it looks like on my fingertips, just swatching it. And don't get me wrong, they're really pigmented right when I apply it on the lid. There's no issue there. I just think I love a sparkly eyeshadow, something that is pigmented, easy to apply, but it's glittery, shimmery. I really love color pops, but this one for Urban Decay, it's just okay. It's not my favorite. But you could see there it's really pigmented and it's not patchy at all. And then I would say another thing is that I don't really like some of the shade names. It's something I don't connect with at all. I just find that it's a little bit disrespectful in terms of language and mannerism. So with all that in mind, I will be decluttering this palette just because it's not for me. I've had it for such a while in my drawer, and getting around to using it a few times, I feel like it's definitely not for me. So thank you so much, my friend, for watching this video and this tutorial. I hope that you found it helpful and you liked the eye look in the end. I think it's bold but subtle. I just think the shimmers need a little bit more shimmer, a little bit more shine and glitter to it to make it more complete. May God bless always, my friend. You take good care, be safe, be well. I am wishing you a good day or night, whatever time you're watching, and I hope to see you next time.